Most people think real estate means owning doors, messing with tenants, or taking on risky debt. Well, I've replaced a mid six figure salary and grown it from there, all by simply flipping dirt without touching a single building or dealing with any of the hassle that comes along with other real estate. Traditional real estate, it's full of stress, contractors, delays, tied up cash flow. I wanted something simpler, faster, way more predictable. And that's why I started with land. Vacant properties nobody's paying attention to, and deals that move fast when you know what you're doing and have the right system. I buy land off market, make smart offers, and flip it, often in a matter of weeks. There's no buildings, no real estate agents, no nonsense. If you want to learn how to do this, I created the Land Flipping Launchpad. Inside, I show you exactly how to craft a winning strategy, pick the right market, make the right offers, and flip land for profit, all without needing any experience. You'll get the roadmap my wife and I use to flip hundreds of deals, plus all the tools, templates, and documents to be successful. It's the same system we use with our students to build real income today. So if you're tired of waiting for the right time or the right deal, this is your next move. Click the button below and grab the Launchpad now. I'll see you inside and we'll get started transforming your life.